Mini monster on a mission. The ASUS NUC 14 Pro is the AI-powered desktop that just ate your tower for breakfast. This ain't your grandpa's mini PC. The ASUS NUC 14 Pro is a tiny beast with Terminator energy, armed with the Ultra 7155H chip, 16 cores, 22 threads, up to 4.8 GHz, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. Add Intel Arc graphics and boom, this ain't just a PC, it's a desktop-crushing, multitasking, AI-slinging monster that fits in the palm of your hand. Whether you're gaming, editing 8K, or building a smart city, literally, this mini desktop is built to boss every task, no excuses. Big PCs? Shook. Laptops? Ghosted. It's got AI superpowers, and it's not shy about flexing them. With built-in AI boost, AI GC, and a dedicated NPU chip, this bad boy's literally learning your habits, streamlining your workflow, and optimizing power usage like it's reading your mind. Want low-power video calls with 40% less drain? Done. Need to run billion-parameter AI models offline? It laughs in bandwidth limits. It's not just smart, it's straight-up psychic. Powered by Meteor Lake architecture, it boosts performance over 20% while sipping power like a socialite on a green juice cleanse. And the heat? Handled. ASUS went full Tony Stark with an upgraded cooling system, dual copper pipes, turbofans, aluminum fins, and massive air ducts. You could probably roast marshmallows on a regular PC doing this kind of work. But the NUC 14 Pro stays cool, silent, and ultra-efficient, even running 24/7. From smart retail setups to 3D rendering, it's built for marathon performance without breaking a sweat. Oh, and you can disassemble it tool-free. That's right. Pop it open like a can of ambition and upgrade your life. Speed demons, rejoice. Dual-channel 32 GB DDR5 5600 MHz RAM, expandable to 96 GB, and 1TB Gen 4 SSD make load times feel like teleportation. It supports more drives, more displays, up to 4K or one glorious 8K, and more ports than your average high-end tower, Thunderbolt 4s, HDMI 2.1s, USB Type-C, and even 2.5G Ethernet for the zero-lag elite. Video editing? Smooth. Code compiling? Fast. Streaming while managing a smart healthcare dashboard and a ham radio setup? Why not? It's versatile, compact, and stupidly powerful. So, why buy it? Because it actually delivers. It saves you time, desk space, and frustration. It crushes traditional towers in efficiency, AI integration, and thermal design, while being crazy durable and shockingly stylish. Whether you're in education, engineering, enterprise, or just tired of sluggish machines, this is the mini PC your hustle deserves. Backed by a wild 3-year support plan, 2-year no-questions-asked returns, and near-instant support, it's the smart, stress-free buy of the decade. If Apple made a Windows-based AI mini PC for performance junkies, it would look like this.